This channel is Hilarious TV because we couldn't start another channel. We only have enough time to do one, so might as well do everything on one channel, right? So we've been playing this for a while. If you check out our Instagram page, I got to number 2, and shout out to Skylar and their dad.
The Sky family.
Yeah, because they're the ones who first showed us when we watched their videos, the first video.
So now we're gonna play it. Like
yeah, it was too intense. This game is too intense. Oh my gosh! Follow that guy. Follow the guy in case he dies.
Tickle me.
Oh yeah. We learned that strategy from Sky and their dad. So shout out to him. If you guys have Instagram, I'm gonna show you my Instagram and the channel's Instagram. So maybe if you guys want to follow, you can see what we're doing on or catching up on. We do awesome stuff, even though offset or not offset when you guys aren't watching us. So maybe I'll put the Instagram names in the description down below. And what do you think about the game, Tin? You never answered that question. Just play. Let's play. Did you know I made it to second place? You missed it. This game is so intense. We might. Oh, wait. Go back down. Go back down. I saw blue ones. So this is gonna be a short gameplay. First, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and my turn now. Okay, now let's see how I play. Then don't touch the camera, okay? Okay? Okay, hello. We're just gonna... Woo! This is a buffet. Whoa, what the... that's it?
The pink one.
I didn't know. The pink one. What does that have it? Whoa! What? What? Jackpot! Jackpot! No! I lost! I could have taken it! No! Whoa, see? Chrissy's just watching them right now. Shout out to shout out to all their channels for the Skylander family. They're too awesome. We watch them every day. We watch.
I only subscribed them today.
We did.
Not all. I never subscribe all.
Maybe if you guys can help us, if this is a viral video, this is just quick gameplay. Don't forget that. So we might be done in 1 minute. Okay. Woo! I was just seeing stuff. Maybe if we, do something cool. Oh, see, that's them right now. Shout out to them. If I said like over 10 times already. Why? If you're asking why I say that too much, they're too awesome. That's all I got to say about it. They're too awesome. They're fun. They're nice. They're awesome. And this guy's gonna trap me. I can tell it. Then, have you ever gone first place before?
No.
The first time I got on the leaderboard was 10th place. And then I didn't play anymore. But then now I want to play because it's too awesomely good. Don't kill me, okay? No! Oh man, well, we should be done by now! The poo-poos! Woo! Jackpot! No! Oh, that was so close! Well, we should be done. It's just a quick gameplay of what we did because I'm so awesomely awesome. Oh my god, I'm on a leaderboard. I'm just kidding, I'm not on a leaderboard. Oh my gosh, I hit the jackpot. I'm eating it all. I'm taking it all. The champion should be a song. We're taking it all. No, no, I just died. No, 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 no. See? Well, even though this is a quick gameplay, I just wanted to show you guys this. It's too awesome. Shout out to the guys whoever made this. Too good to be true. Christine, do you want to say bye?
Bye bye.
Say bye.
Bye bye. I'm gonna take a bunny.
Boing, boing. Well, thank you guys, whoever made Slither.io happen. It's the best invention I've ever seen, heard. Well, see you guys next time, and bye.